One of the most important things to consider when you're building a predictive model is to make sure it remains robust. An accurate model that is volatile is very risky because your decisions and actions rely on the model, so you can't have it change its activities in an unpredictable manner. How do you make sure that the model you're building is gonna stay robust? There are a couple of things you have to take into consideration. One, that the data that you feed to the model during training is gonna be identical from a source point of view to the data that you're gonna include in the model when you are serving the model. So, training and serving have to be equal. Otherwise, the model gets degraded. The other aspect you have to take into consideration is that the data you include in the model stays stable. You don't want to introduce variables or data points that have random noise or any type of drift, so that ultimately it will change its distribution and will skew the model. So making sure that when you train the model and you serve it and infer, you have the same data, and making sure that data you include comes from a stable source. Don't jeopardize robustness for peak nuanced accuracy. We've seen too many cases where it ended up causing more harm than good.